Do you enjoy cleaning data? Manually, line by line? Of course you don't, no one does. Did you know that data analysts spend up to 2 weeks cleaning and preparing data? This is as much as 80% of their time. But it doesn't have to be this way. With the right techniques, this can be just 2 hours. Or even 2 minutes. In the Dirty Data Dojo, you will learn everything you need to know to handle your data correctly, minimizing errors, and maximizing your valuable time. You'll discover that most data handling operations can be automated, so you can have an analysis-ready dataset in minutes rather than weeks or months. It will teach you why data collection is the most important part of data cleaning, and why you need a great strategy to deal with every type of data error. You will learn how to understand your data and ensure they fit real-life rules. And in the time it takes to clean just one dataset, you'll learn how to clean every dataset in minutes, not weeks. You'll learn everything you need, from data collection to analysis-ready data, and everything in between. In the Dirty Data Dojo, you will learn how to collect data efficiently, without introducing unnecessary errors. Clean errors automatically, saving huge amounts of time. Prepare and validate your data, making sure they are fit for purpose and analysis ready. In the Dirty Data Dojo, you will learn to supercharge all your data cleaning processes to get your data analysis ready in minutes. Better still, you'll learn to do all this in Excel and in your choice of Python or R. By the end, you will be a Jedi master at data collection, cleaning, and preparation, putting your next project on steroids. Do you want to sprint right past data cleaning in minutes so you can supercharge your next study? Then the Dirty Data Dojo is right for you. It is live and is waiting for you right now.